All right, what's going on, guys? In this video, I want to give a shout out to all you guys that are currently in TEXIT Coin because TEXIT Coin is now on Mr. Fi's radar. Now, I'm going to go ahead and say that based on the research that I've done thus far, seeing what TEXIT Coin has been doing over the course of the past year, checking out their price chart, seeing that everything isn't just running up without pullbacks. It seems to be like a normal, stable market for the coin, considering their multi-level marketing strategies and all of these things, guys. It is potentially a money maker. Okay, so what I am going to do is delve into this a little bit more by investing in it myself. And before doing so, or before getting it into the wallets, the Bitcoin wallets, to see how we can generate even more revenue for that, I will always use my own personal assets to invest in it first and foremost. So the purpose for this video, guys, is to solicit some of you guys that are already in it. Those of you guys that have a track record of not only building your own team, but also building the team of the people that sign up under you. So if any of you guys are out there and you're interested in onboarding someone else, hey, I might have some questions up front. I already submitted that information straight to Texit Coin, and I'm waiting on some responses. But I might vibe with you a little bit, check you out, and if it's a match, I'll go ahead and sign up under you, and that way you'll be able to benefit from number one, me coming into the system, and number two, should I vet the system, make sure everything works as it's supposed to, whether it does or doesn't, I'm going to report it in my videos, okay? And if it does, if I see it's kicking out some returns, of course, I will begin sharing it with others as well. And in addition to that, we'll do something similar that I did with BitNest in incorporating some of the assets from the Bitcoin wallets into this protocol. Okay. And I'm speaking specifically of the mining aspect of it because that looks like it can be somewhat of a long term uh, investment where I can kind of recoup my initial investment in a fairly short amount of time and still be able to walk away with profits on the regular, at least over the course of the next year or so. So that's what I want to drop this video for. If you guys are promoting it, either through your YouTube channel or through other means, and you are helping build a team, you are effective at building a team, those are the ones that I most want to hear from. And we can collab on that a little bit just so I can find a good person to sign up under. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video. For those of you that don't know, hey, you might want to keep Texit Coin on your radar, but trust over the course of the next month as I delve into it, I will be reporting to you guys exactly what I discover. And when I get into a protocol, I dig deep and let you know what the real deal is. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video. We'll holler on the next one. Peace out.